Welcome back, future doctors. Today we are diving in some challenging MDCAT MCQs to sharpen your biology knowledge. Let's get started. So the first MCQ is which of the following is the primary method for diagnosing viral infection? A. Blood culture, B. PCR, C. Gram staining, and D. X-ray. So the correct option is PCR. The next MCQ is which type of virus has an RNA genome that directly functions as mRNA? A. Negative sense RNA virus. B. Double stranded RNA virus. C. Positive sense RNA virus. D. Retrovirus. So the correct option is C. The next MCQ is which virus is known for causing acute viral hepatitis and it's transmitted through contaminated water? A. Hepatitis B. B. Hepatitis C. D. Hepatitis A. D. Hepatitis D. So the correct answer is C. Hepatitis A. The next MCQ is which of the following types of viruses can be cultured and embryonated eggs? A. Herpes virus. B. Adenovirus. C. Influenza virus. D. Human papilloma virus. So the correct option is C. The next MCQ is which of the following viruses is associated with causing what? A. Hepatitis B virus. B. Human papilloma virus. C. Herpes simplex virus. D. Epstein-Barr virus. So the correct option is B. The next MCQ is which of the following is a characteristic of pyron? A. They have a viral envelope. B. They are composed of misfolded protein. C. They contain nucleic acid. D. They replicate using transcriptase. So the correct option is B. The next MCQ is which viral family includes the human immunodeficiency virus? A. Retroviruria. B. Adenoviruria. C. Herpesviruria. D. Erythromozoviruria. So the correct option is A. Hmm. The next MCQ is which of the following is a common diagnostic test for viral infections that detect viral antigen? A. ELISA. B. Western blotting. C. Microscopy. D. Blood culture. So the correct option is A. The next MCQ is which type of virus is known for causing significant mutation in its genome leading to seasonal outbreaks? A. Hepatitis B virus. B. Human papilloma virus. C. Influenza virus. D. Herpes simplex virus. So the correct option is C. The next MCQ is which of the following viruses is known to cause severe respiratory illness in infant and young children? A. Respiratory syncytial virus. B. Hepatitis C virus. C. Varicella zoster virus. And D. Epstein-Barr virus. So the correct option is A. The next MCQ is which of the following viruses is commonly associated with causing some shingles? A. Varicella zoster virus. B. Human papilloma virus. C. Herpes simplex virus. D. Cytomegalovirus virus. So the correct option is A. The next MCQ is which type of virus is characterized by a high mutation rate due to error during replication? A. Hepatitis B virus. C. Human immunodeficiency virus. B. Adenovirus. C. Papilloma virus. So the correct option is B. Thanks for joining me. I hope these MCQs help you sharpen your biology skills. Keep studying and stay tuned for more practice questions. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.